It's like Memorial Drive.
Yeah, Memorial Drive. Okay. And some guy, so she's jogging, and then some guy, what? He like grabbed her or something?
He exposed himself.
Like another jogger just dropped his
That's
pants?
what I said. Daylight. Right,
Yeah.
but I'm like, how does that even happen? Like, because he was jogging.
I won't go anymore.
Fuck, why are we going to this shit?
Yeah, it's straight up, they dead ass left.
Damn. Nope. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, you okay? Oh, baby. He ran that lot. He ran that shit.
Where's he?
Dude, what the? Yeah, the stop sign.
About take the second exit on State Route 24 Ashmore Road.
But it barely, I mean, I just invoiced them. Like it wasn't even...
Oh, what the fuck? God damn it. I fucking ran a red light. Oh,
hit that wire.
That wire. Yep.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Got it down. Stop.
Style of photographer, which dynamic range may not matter as much to sports and concert photography. The funny thing is, I don't shoot a lot of fucking sports or concert photography. I do photojournalism. I capture people in their situations where they...
Not specific to this. This is just the latest example. And it started, my attempt at explaining this starts last night. I was not watching the rally. Don't tell anybody. Don't let anybody tell the